Hi everybody, welcome back. So we're going to have a look at some spelling this week, and we're going to be having a look at some prefixes. And the prefix we're going to have a look at this week is the prefix inter. Now, a prefix is something that comes at the front of a word to change the meaning of it. Now, if you put the prefix inter at the front of a word, it means between or among. So we're going to have a look at lots of words that have got inter at the front of it. International, intercity, interrupt, interlude, intervene, internet, intergalactic, interfere, intermediate, interact. Do you know what any of those words mean already? You might have heard of some of them before. Maybe intergalactic. You definitely will have heard of internet. Quite a few of them I'm sure you've heard of. You might not quite know what they mean, but we'll see if we can work them out in this video. They all have the prefix inter. The prefix inter means between, among, or within. Okay, so let's see if we can match them as they fly through space. So there's all these different ones flying through space. We're looking for relating to, situated, or moving between two or more galaxies. So which word we think means moving between two or more galaxies? Okay, so I'll let them play for a little bit so you can have a look which of those interwords you think might mean that. And then when I find it again, I'll stop it and you can see if you were right. Oh, I think I found it. I think it means intergalactic. Good, it did. Okay, let's have a look for the next one. So the definition is to get involved with a situation unnecessarily or without being asked to. So to get involved with something when you've not been asked to. Okay, so I'm going to have a good look, see if you can see what you think it is. Okay, so let's keep an eye out for it. Oh, I think it's back. I think it's interfere. Interfere with something. To get involved with something without being asked to is to interfere. To stop the flow of an action, a thought, or a process. To stop the flow of an action, a thought, or a process. Keep looking which one you think it might be. Okay, I think I've got it. I'm going to look out for it coming back. I think it's here. I think it means to interrupt. Interrupt, to stop the flow of an action, a thought, or a process. Okay, next one. Take part in something so as to prevent or alter a result or a course of an event. Now, this is a very tricky one. I think it's this one, intervene. Okay, so remember this one because you might need this one later. Intervene. Take part in something so as to prevent or alter a result or a course of an event. So you might intervene in an argument to change the action, to change the course of that event, stop something from happening. Okay, next one. A pause or a break when the activity during this time is different to what has come before or after it. Oh, again, this is another quite tricky one. So it's a pause or a break. Okay, it's this one here. It's an interlude. An interlude is a pause or a break when the activity during this time is different to what has come before or after it. So again, remember that one if you can. Oh, I think we should get this one. Definition, a global computer network. So keep having a look. I think you'll be able to do this one. Maybe you've seen it already. I know I have. Okay, I'm going to have a look for it coming back. It's this one, a global computer network, the internet, Well done if you got that one. Okay, next one. Operating or travelling between cities. Oh, there might be a bit of a clue with this one. Travelling between cities. So inter means between. So I think it must be this one. Intercity, between cities. Well done if you got that one. Coming between two things in terms of place, time, or character. Okay, have a good look. See if it's been passed. I think it's been. Look out for it coming back. I think it's this one. Interrupt. Oh, it wasn't. Coming between two things in terms of place, time, or character. Let's try this one. No. Let's try. Oh, intermediate. Coming between two things in terms of place, time, or character. I've learnt a new one there. Okay, so here are the spelling words that we've had a look at this week. Okay, so you'll need to work hard to practice those into words. You might want to copy them all down, pause the video. Then if you've copied them all down, see if you can remember what they all mean. Perhaps you might need to rewind the video to find out what some of them might mean. Okay, have a really good look at them and make sure you practice them really well. So I've put another picture up here of this week's spellings for you to have a go at. You can practice writing each spelling 3 times if you haven't already done that. Try and write each spelling into a sentence or say them in a sentence. And like I said, you can rewind the video if you need to. And then see if you can make yourself up a fun game to help you learn each of these spellings. We talked about some of the ones that you might play before, pairs or snap, or perhaps hide them around your house and play hide and seek with them. See how many you can find or learn to spell playing some sort of fun game. Okay. And then to finish off with, you can pause the video and we're going to have a go at searching for all of the words that we've been practicing this week in the word search. Now, it is a little bit tricky on the screen to search for them, but I'm sure you can manage them and then you can write them down on your paper if you have found them in the word search. Okay, so here are all the words that you need to find and with the word search. So you can finish off with the video here, searching for all these words in the word search. Keep practicing, keep working hard on all of these spellings, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.